Hello, welcome back to Life Millway. I thought I would show you what I got in the mail today. I ordered some dies from ALIEXPRESS and an embossing folder. So I'll show you the embossing folder first. It's very pretty. And then I took a scrap paper just to punch one just to show yous, but I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not. Can you? Yeah, so nice Christmas scene. All right, so then I think I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer. Kevin, can you bring the camera a little closer to me, please? I'm a little vertically challenged, so I think if I don't have to stretch so far, it won't be so bad. There we go.
Okay.
All right.
So basically...
That's okay. I'll hold it up.
Okay.
All right. So, let's see. Use the black paper to show you this one. I thought this, so yeah, let me back up a little bit. I went to AliExpress and got one of their surprise bags. You get 12 dies for $5 something, I think it is. I'll try to remember to put the link in the box below. So I'll show you what came in the goodie box. So I thought this was kind of fitting since it's world crap time right now. That's a tornado. And let me show you how it comes out. So there's that. And let me just bring you a little closer again. There we go. Yeah, so the tornado, I thought that was cute. And then this also came in it, which is just like a border. And again, I just did these in scrap paper so that I could just show you. So that's how the border would look. This one I had a bit of a hard time in a couple spots getting it to cut properly. Don't usually have too much problems, but anyways, this one I just had to take the scissors just to a couple little spots, but yeah, so there's that one. And then jack-o'-lanterns. And I cut these out and then I embellished them a little bit. So there's the jack-o'-lanterns. And then there's a ship. And I'll show you how this one cut out. That was pretty nice. And then there was this border. And again, I just cut it out in some scrap. And let me find you. There you are. This one's tiny, so I'll hold it up to the little bunny in a frame. And this is what he looks like. And then show you these ones. This is a two-piece. Mickey in the hair bun, Minnie in the hair bun, or bow, sorry. And this is what she looks like. Okay, and then I got the vintage car. That was really neat. And what else did we get in this package? These are cute. The baby safety pins. And so I cut them out. Okay, there's 4 of them. Where'd you go? Let me. There we go. Okay. And then these hearts. And they all come individually when you punch them out. So let me find them. There we go. And then rainbow with clouds. So when I cut this one out, I cut it out in the pink and the blue, and then I cut the clouds off of the blue one and put it onto the pink one. So that's how I did that one. And then we got this bird. And I cut it out in sparkly blue. And then that is the 12 dies that I got for $5 something. I'll confirm the price in the description box below. Then I ordered these ones, and it's birthday theme. So we got your balloon and your hat and your cake and all those goodies. Let me show you how they came out. They are cute. Pieces of cake. Now I did them in light pink and dark pink, to have a little contrast. All right, let me show ya. You got your little presents and cake and balloons and bows. All right, so that was my AliExpress order this week. Kevin will question that this week because I tend to get some a little more often than that. Anyways, if you like to see my different die cuts like this, let me know in the comments and I'll do some more. And I have, let's see, I have all of these. So we could have some fun with it. All right, I will see you on the next video.